Hi, hello, welcome friends. I am B.M.Amizhthan. Today in this video we are going to see some fun science experiment using eggs. If you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon for notification. Very eager to see, right? Let's go. Friends, in the first experiment, we are going to drop this egg into the glass bottle without any scratches. Let's see that. The things needed for this experiments are one egg. This is not a boiled egg. This is a raw egg. A glass of water and a pipe, or you can take the chart and roll it like a pipe structure and a plate. Friends, the first step is take the plate and place it at the top of this glass bottle. Take the pipe and keep it at the center of this plate, and it should be in the center of this glass also. Now take the raw egg. And keep it like this. Friends, now we are going to tap this plate, and then now the egg is going to fall into this glass bottle without any scratches. Let's see. See, wow! See, the egg has been fallen down into this bottle without any scratches. Now we will take it. Friends, see, there is no scratches. Friends, now we are going to try with the 2 eggs and the 2 pipes. Let's see. We are going to take the plate, keep it in the center of the plate, keep it in the center of the glass, take the 2 pipes. Now take the one egg and another egg and keep it here. Now we are going to tap it, and the 2 eggs will fall into this 2 glasses. Let's see. See? Wow! Amazing! See, the eggs have been fallen down into these glasses without any scratches. See? No scratch. See? In this egg also no scratches. See? Friends, the reason behind this first experiment is Newton's first law of motion. What does mean by the Newton's first law of motion? An object at rest stays at rest, and another object at motion will stay in motion unless some force acts on it. To say it easily, I will say one example. I am not giving any movement in this ball, so that force in this ball, so that it is at rest. When I give some movement, it will move. See, I have used my hand as a force to stop this ball, and I am using my hand to move also. This is the reason behind the first experiment. Friends, similarly, when we keep the egg at the top of the pipe and when we tap the plate, the egg has fallen down. It has been fallen down straightly to the earth without any change in the direction. This is the reason behind this first experiment. Friends, as you all know, egg is easily breakable. When I put it here itself, it will break. The shell of the egg is very light, so that it will easily break. Now we are going to put this egg inside Let's see that. I am using this cover and I have put this egg in this cover because if the egg was broken, it will not spoil the popcorn. So that I am using this cover. Now let's start. First step is take the cover, put some popcorn in it. Friends, now I have put the popcorn, half of the popcorn in it. Now I am going to take the egg and pour it like this. And then I am going to keep it here. Friends, now we will put the egg into this. Now take the popcorn and put it. Now fold the popcorn cover. Now we will use the tape to tap it. Friends, I have now wrapped this popcorn with this egg. Now I am going to stand on this table and I am going to put this popcorn back. Let's see. Friends, now I am going to stand on this table. And I am going to put it down and we will see if the egg breaking or not. Friends, now I have put this popcorn down. Now we will see it has been broken or not. Now we will take the wrap. Now we will open the popcorn pack and then we will see the egg is broken or not. I hope that the egg is not broken. Now let's open the pack and now we will see that. See, wow, amazing. See, the egg is not having any scratches. See? So our second experiment is success. Friends, the reason behind the second experiment is, for example, when we take in the car, when we met an accident, there is an airbag in the car which will protect us. Like that only I am using the popcorn as an airbag which protect the egg from being broken. This is the reason behind the second experiment. Hope you like this experiment. Give your likes and comments to put more interesting science experiments like this, and don't forget to share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye friends.